Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2014 Kawasaki Ninja 650. ABS brakes, twin cylinder, liquid cooled, fuel injected. This is the great starter bike for anybody who wants something a little sporty. Brand new rear tire, fender eliminator. Only 4,000 miles on this gorgeous Ninja 650. Come by, check it out, make your motorcycle dreams come true. Price to sell just $54.99. Come on by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. This thing runs beautifully. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.